Ezekiel 25:17. The path of the righteous man is beset on all sides by the iniquities of the selfish and the tyranny of evil men. Blessed is he who in the name of charity and goodwill shepherds the weak through the valley of darkness, for he is truly his brother's keeper and the finder of lost children. And I will strike down upon thee with great vengeance and furious anger those who attempt to poison and destroy my brothers. And you will know my name is the Lord when I lay my vengeance upon thee.
Still winning when it's quiet. They don't see the sacrifices, only love the riot. I was patient with the vision, I was violent with the doubt. Now the same ones who ignored me trying to figure.
Shepherd of my beat, got a staff in my hand, feel like Moses bending trees. Righteous kid amongst we, casted on the fire, can't look at we now bleeding. Appetite for violence, shit must be narcissistic. Devil feed on blood, throw away the swastika. Ever in my prime, Optimus, non-functional. Devil wears a Prada, you so saint in them sneakers. Go against the brother, you should side it, I give you that. Ethics for the meek, humble while you still live, cuz gotta watch your homies, there's police amongst we, cuz playing with some big tools, you scared you so weak, huh? Every day of the week, we gotta for the cheese, huh? Ain't no stop, huh? Do it for the lead one. Pay much attention to words like action don't mean none. Deceit, bruh, looks don't mean none. Hyping to real, it had people so deep, bruh, delusional. That's why the system's so big, cuz they feed on poor so the riches get richer. Firmament, ain't no escaping this rain, bruh. Lucifer thorn here, ain't no way to escape, bruh. Repeat our habits, you kill new ones. Ain't no way you live in this life, you so stuck, bruh. Kill a brother when you need one. You kill a sister when you need one. Ain't you no blood picker? Or kill a brother when you need one. Or kill a sister when you need one. Ain't you no blood picker? Or kill a brother when you need one. Or kill a sister when you need one. Ain't you no blood picker?
Talking to the youth, educated, let me preach. Pay attention, come you sit, listen when I speak. Ratatouille, chase the cheese, hey. Wisdom to the kids. Less the stress, I'm a pastor, many let me preach. Money hit the league, that's the goal, they getting rich. Don't flip, social trip, man, over a fucking bitch. Hey, what you sow you reap, when you get it, don't you whip. Paying for the rhymes, but they say talk is cheap. On my knees, they ask forgiveness, talking to the Lord. Divine, a daddy, how I conversate with God. Good or evil, double-edged, go on with a sword. Jesus is the plug, yeah, extension, I'm the God. Take it to the top, me and cause we on the rise. Take the chance to gamble, man, gotta roll the dice. Betting on myself, took the L, I pay the price. Offer land to God, hey, make a sacrifice. We die, throwing punches, feeling like a polo. Kicks and punches, man, this shit they like a dojo. Future so dope, hey, bright and white like cocoa. Beat a victim crime scene, man, they call the popo. We die, throwing punches, feeling like a polo. Kicks and punches, man, this shit they like a dojo. Future so dope, hey, bright and white like cocoa. Beat a victim crime scene, man, they call the popo.